Hello children, welcome to our class. Our English textbook has 8 units. We have first unit, personality development. In this first unit, there are 3 readings, A, B and C. Look here, the picture which is on the first page of the every unit is called as style sheet. Yes, this is style sheet. In this style sheet, look here, here is unit 1, A reading, attitude is altitude. There is B reading, every success story is also a story of great failures. As well as C reading, I will do it. The 3 readings are there in the style sheet, and also look here, here is the books looking like buildings. Yes, like an apartments. Yes, the books are the buildings of knowledge. Yes, we have to build the knowledge by reading these books. With that knowledge, with the gaining of that knowledge from these books, here is a boy is flying like a aeroplane. Yes, he is flying like an aeroplane with the help of a pencil. Look here, here is a pencil. Yes, knowledge improves the child's personality with the help of these books. Then every child has his own abilities by doing these kind of activities. Here is the boy flying with the knowledge, flying with the great personality by learning these 3 readings. Attitude is altitude. Every success story is also a story of great failures, and also I will do it. After learning these 3 readings, every child has to be improved his own personality by learning these books, these lessons with the knowledge building construction. So this is the style sheet designed by the author. This is very nice style sheet. Look in another page. Here is the name of the unit, personality development. The unit name is personality development. Here are 3 pictures. Look here. Who is she? She is Sudha Chandran. And here he is Stephen Hawking. And here Helen Keller. She is Helen Keller. What is their speciality? Do you know? Do you know these persons' specialties? Yes? Yes. Here Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran was born in a Malayali family. She did her MA in economics. She is a good dancer, classical dancer. One day, she lost her legs in a road accident in 1981. Yet she did not lose hope. With artificial limbs, she gained again courage, confidence. With the commitment, she continued her work and rose to international reputation as an excellent performer of Bharatanatyam. And here Stephen William Hawking. He was born in 1942 to Frank and Isabel Hawkins in Oxford, England. Though very bright in his studies, he has not been that kind of strong physical abilities. He has been suffering from a serious ailment called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis that almost paralyzed his entire body. Yet, yet, using a wheelchair and speech aiding computer programs, he contributed to revolutionary growth of his areas physics and cosmology. His book, A Brief Human Power That Can Achieve Even in Difficult Times. And also here, Helen Keller. Helen Adams Keller was born in USA when she was just 19 months old. She contracted scarlet fever that left her blind and deaf. She was blind and deaf at the age of 19 months old. But her inexhaustible energy, coupled with the teacher Anne Sullivan's skill and patience, she helped her become the first blind and deaf person to get a Bachelor of Arts degree. She became internationally famous as an author, lecturer, and political activist. She authored 12 books. This is the story of these three great motivative personalities. All the three persons suffered from severe physical disabilities, yet they reached unbeatable heights in their fields. They were determined, they worked hard, they were consistent, they were confident, they overcame their body's weakness with the strength of their minds and hearts.